Namaste students, welcome back to 8th English class. Today we are going to learn a poem, Special Hero. It is a beautiful poem written by Christina M. Kershan. The poem is about the father's love towards the child. What are the sacrifices made your father for your family? He is working very hard. Sometimes your father is going for night shift. Whenever you are ill, he is taking care of you. Here you want to write what are the father's sacrifice for your family. You want to fill these boxes. Okay. What is the poem name? Special Hero. Who is your favorite hero? I know all of you have some favorite heroes. Ajit, Vijay, Dhanush, Surya, Sivakarthikeyan, Dhoni, Kohli. Likewise you have etc. You have lot of heroes. But here special hero, one child is talking about her father. This poem is about father's love towards a child. Let us go for the poem. When I was a baby, you would hold me in your arms. I felt the love and tenderness keeping me safe from harm. I would look up in your eyes and all the love I would see. How did I get so lucky? You were the dad chosen for me. There is something special about a father's love. Seems it was sent to me from some place up above. Our love is everlasting. I just wanted you to know that you are my special hero and I wanted to tell you so. Here, one child is talking about her father. Here in the poem, the special hero child is talking about her father. How many of you are thinking about your father as a hero? Yes, all of you like your father very much. Indian tradition is the best tradition in the world because we have been following the principle of Mata, Pita, Guru, Devam. What is the meaning for Mata, Pita, Guru, Devam? Mata means mother. Pita means father. Guru means your teacher. Mother, father and teacher are equal to God. See, we are following that tradition. So, everybody should love your father, respect your father, obey your father. Here we can see what the child talk about her father. When I was a baby, you would hold me in your arms. What is meant by arms? Hands. When I was a baby, when I was very young, you would hold me in your arms. Father took her in her arms. I felt the love and tenderness keeping me safe from harm. What is meant by tenderness? Gentleness and kindness. I felt the love and tenderness. Whenever father held her his arms, she felt his love and kindness. Whenever the child is taken by father, she felt the love of father and kindness, keeping me safe from harm. He always kept her safe from harm. Whenever father is taking her itself, she feels a security. I would look up in your eyes and all the love I would see. She felt that there is lot of love in his eyes. I would look up into your eyes and she can see the love there. I would look up in your eyes and all the love I would see. She was able to experience very affection in his eyes. How did I get so lucky? You were the dad chosen for me. She felt that she was very lucky. Why she was saying she was very lucky? Because you were the dad chosen for me. She was lucky that he was the dad chosen for her. There is something special about a father's love. She is saying there is something special in father's love. Seems it was sent to me from some place up above. She is thinking father is a gift. He is sent from some place up above. Some place up above here means heaven. What is meant by heaven? Sorgam. What is the opposite for heaven? Hell. Seems it was sent to me from some place up above. The child is thinking he was sent to her from heaven. Father is sent by God to her. Such an affection towards father. Our love is everlasting. How is their love? Our love is everlasting. What is meant by everlasting? Lasting forever. Azhivillatha. That is called everlasting. Our love is everlasting. I just wanted you to know. The child wanted to express something. What she wanted to express? That you are my special hero. Yes, she wanted to tell her father that he was her special hero, and I wanted to tell you so. Did you understand the poem? Again, shall we summarize the poem? The poem is about father's love towards a child. The poet describes her father's love and care towards her. You know, all the fathers has affection and love towards you. Here, the child is saying she was a baby. He held her in his arms. She felt his love and kindness. He always kept her safe from harm. She was able to experience his love for her in his eyes. Whenever the child is seeing his father's eyes, she can identify the love. She felt that she was lucky that he was the dad chosen for her. There was something special about father's love. She thought that he was sent to her from heaven. She just wanted him to know that their love, how is their love? It is everlasting. She wanted to tell him that he was her special hero. Who is the special hero here? Yes. Who is the special hero? Yes, her dad is the special hero. See, what rhyming words? Love and above are the rhyming words. Come to glossary. Tenderness. Tenderness means gentleness and kindness. Everlasting, lasting forever or long time. Everlasting, lasting forever or very long time. Special, it is an adjective different from what is usual. And this is a memoriter. You want to write this poem 3 times in your rough note. Then you learn very well. Write home test and show your parents. And you have to refer new book, new edition of 2020-21 because some changes from old book. You are kindly informed to buy book. Here you should read the poem aloud. Okay. Find the line from the poem to match the statement given below and write in the blanks. Some statements are given here. You want to find out the poem lines. He always saves me from harm. What is the poem line? Keeping me safe from harm. I am so lucky to get you. What is the poem line? How did I get so lucky? The child is thinking she was lucky to get such a father. Third one, the affection between us has no end. What is the line master for that? Our love is everlasting. Are you clear? Next, answer the following questions. Who is the speaker? The child is the speaker. Who is the special hero mentioned in the poem? Who is the special hero? Yes, her dad or her father is the special hero. How did the child feel when it was hold its dad? When she was a baby, he held in her arms. She felt his love and kindness. She felt his love and kindness. Seems it was sent to me from some place up above. What do the above line mean? The child is thinking father is very special, So he was sent to her from heaven. He was sent to her from heaven. What did the child want to tell its dad? What did the child tell? She wanted to tell him that he was her special hero. What did the child want to tell her dad? She wanted to tell him that he was her special hero. Next, there is something special about father's love. Identify the alliteration in the given line. Alliteration here, something and special. What is meant by alliteration? Repetition of consonant sounds. Something. Consonants means vowel sound, you know, A, E, I, O, U. Except these 5 letters, other 25 letters are consonants. Whenever the consonant letters are repeated nearby, it is called alliteration. There is something special here. S and S repeated here in something and special. So, something and special are alliterated words. Pick out the rhyming words from the poem. Love and above are the rhyming words. Afterwards, I will send you notes, my dear children. You should memorize the poem. That is the homework for you. Be safe. Thank you, children.